The current world event stops your team and client from working in office. Working from home brings new flexibility but also new challenges. Are you equipped and ready to deal with the new norm? To put a plan together, you need to first list out your current projects and their plan. You need to keep track of who will be doing which task. You need to track everyone's progress. And you need to monitor the overall status to make sure you meet the target. BisZinc can be of assistance. Two of our main features, knowledge management and project management, can help you plan, assign and monitor in a single, easy-to-use tool. We help your team work together easier now and into the future. You start by capturing the list of clients and projects you are currently working on. Once you have the data ready, it's time to set them up in BisZinc. Begin by creating your account and log into our system. We will first get your team set up by inviting all of your members to your team. BisZinc will send each of them an email, which will contain instruction to help them join your team. Open the setting menu. Select Team Admin. Select Member and input the email address of your other team members to invite them. Ask your members to accept the invitation. Now that you have added your members, you can start adding your client record by clicking on our Contact Manager. In Contact page, click Create Contact. Input the name of your client and click Save. Please create one record for each of your active client, including one for your own company for internal project. You can register each project to a client record, which will enable you to monitor resource and progress per client in our Manager view. With both your members and client added to the system, you are ready to begin creating your project. To create a project, click on Create, then select Project. Fill in the detail to start your project. Especially important is the due date. With your first project ready, you can start filling it with tasks. The goal is to start simple and focus on tracking major action and their progress. Start by clicking on the project title. Click Add Knowledge. You can think of knowledge as to-do list. You can save knowledge for later update and reuse. Since this is your first knowledge, you should create a new one by providing a name that describes what needs to get done. Hit Enter and click Add. You should provide some detail of the task. A title and owner are essential. You can update the task detail by clicking on the name and input the data. You now have the basic structure ready. You can repeat the steps to set up your complete project. Next step is to create tasks and assign them to your member. Keep the task simple right now. You and your team can add detail at a later time. To create additional task, use the Add Task function to create the list of job you need to get done. Create at least one task per person involved. If task involve more than one person, use subtask to break down the detail. Assign the task to the person who is responsible to it. Input an estimation of how much effort this task will require. Our AI will book this amount of time from the person assigned to the task. As you add more tasks, you will start seeing a structure formed for your project. You can change the order of task or save the setting into a new knowledge for future use. There is no need to input too much detail at this point. Your team should do that over time. Repeat the process to set up other projects your team is working on. Congratulations! You are all set to go. Next step is to sit back and watch. We will keep things organized and alert you of any risk. Using our Manager view and Project view, you can get an eagle-eye view of all status. You can make adjustment and help your team as need arise. To activate the Manager view, click on this switch. The report contains summary status of your projects and utilization of your staffs. We also highlight area of risk and your team resources deployed per client. Together with the Project view, which allows you to monitor individual project and task progress, you should be able to react early should any problem arise and make adjustment as needed. Last but very important is work required of your team members. They have only one must-do task every day, which is on the dashboard. Review the task assigned to them, and provide an update of their progress by clicking here. That is all they have to do. Through simple planning, task assignment and monitoring process, BisZinc work for you to get your work from home set up together. Quick and easy. This concludes our sharing. We hope we can be of service to your problem. See you in our next video.